the endangered red-shank duck is found only in Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia. Families typically consist of a single adult male, multiple females, and their offspring. They will join other families throughout the day to form large groups to socialize with and forage for food. As leaf-eating monkeys, ducklangers spend a significant portion of their day eating leaves, flowers, and fruit. Everything they need to survive is in the top of the canopy, and rarely will they descend to the forest floor. Living at such heights can be dangerous. A fall can lead to injury or even death. Babies cling tight to their mother as they swing from branch to branch. As they grow older, young dukes must learn the skills necessary to traverse the forest canopy, and there is no better time than when playing with their brothers and sisters. With playtime over, everyone heads back to the comfort and safety of their family.